Hi all, I'm Teacher Naga here. Let's learn science with Teacher Naga for year 2 science. Let's go today's lesson. Okay, hari ini cikgu nak ajar tentang apa? Yang sebelum ini kita belajar tentang haiwan kan? So let's go continue with the topic animals. So today I want you to take your textbook. Okay, ambil buku teks muka surat 45 dan 46. 45 and 46. Please open your textbook. Let us read what they are wrote there. Okay, we go one by one. Okay, first, the up one. Life cycle of animals. Animals that lay eggs will change as they grow. These changes occur in the animal's life cycle. Okay, animals ini akan bertelur dan ia akan membesar, semakin membesar. Okay, yang daripada telur tu dia meretak, lepas tu dia menjadi satu haiwan, lepas tu haiwan tu akan menjadi besar. Kan? These changes, perubahan ini akan berlaku dalam animals life cycle. Maksudnya dia akan berlaku dalam kitar haiwan tersebut. Okay, kitar hidup haiwan tersebut. Okay, let's we see how about the kitar of a frog. Okay. Hi, I am frog. Let's see the changes in my growth. Dia panggil kita untuk tengok macam mana dia membesar daripada telur sehinggalah menjadi katak yang besar. Okay. So number one, the adult dog will lay eggs. So these are the eggs. So there are so many eggs. So from an egg, I change into a tadpole. From an egg, it will become a tadpole. See, this is the tadpole, berudu, kan? So once the berudu membesar, apabila berudu ini membesar, after that I become a froglet. Dia akan menjadi froglet, anak katak. Anak katak ini mempunyai kaki, tapi mempunyai apa? Yang tak serupai seperti mak bapak dia. Yes, it will have a tail. Okay, dia akan mempunyai ekor. Okay. Then after that, finally I grow into an adult dog. An adult frog. So, selepas tu, dia akan menjadi satu ekor katak yang dewasa. So, from egg to tadpole, froglet, and adult dog. Okay, I hope you understand, but for the better understand, I want you to watch the video. Okay, let me show you a video now. Okay, daripada video tadi, yang kita tengok video tadi, we have 4 types of frogs, right? I mean the peringkat. Okay, so the first one is egg, number 2 is tadpole, number 3 is froglet, and number 4 is a frog. Which one is number 1 now here? Yes, this is number 1. What is that? Egg. Yes, that are eggs. Which one is number 2 after that? Yes, this is number 2. And what is that? Tadpole. Yes, very good. Tadpole. And what is number 3? Yes. And what is that? Froglet. Very good, froglet. And then the last one is 4. And what is that? Adult frog. Yes, very good. Adult frog. Very good. Wow, that's great. Now, let's watch a butterfly's life cycle. Can we watch a butterfly life cycle? So there is a video for you. So let's watch the video.
Butterflies. Butterflies come in many different colors and sizes. But did you know that butterflies begin their lives looking completely different? Today, we are going to be learning about butterflies and their life cycle. Butterflies are amazing creatures that can transform. This transformation is called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means that a creature will transform or change by going through its life cycle. This is a butterfly's life cycle. The life cycle begins when the butterfly is born. It begins as an egg, then it becomes a caterpillar. Then the caterpillar creates a pupa, which is also called a chrysalis. The final stage is when the caterpillar has transformed inside the pupa or chrysalis and has broken out of it and is now a butterfly. The life cycle begins when a female butterfly lays an egg. She chooses to lay her egg on a leaf or stem of a plant. Because there are many types of butterflies that look different, their eggs will look different too. You can tell what type of butterfly the egg will be sometimes just by looking at the color, shape, texture, size, and how long it will take to hatch. Some eggs will hatch as soon as it is warm enough outside, and others will need a few weeks to hatch. The next stage of the life cycle is when the egg becomes a caterpillar. A caterpillar will leave the egg once it has grown and is ready. Now the caterpillar is very hungry. The caterpillar will begin to eat and eat and eat. The first thing they eat is their own egg. Then they eat the leaf or plant their egg was on. The caterpillar continues to look for plants to eat. As it eats, it grows. It becomes too big for its skin, so it needs to shed its skin 4 to 5 times. A caterpillar can grow up to 100 times bigger than when it first came out of its egg. Now, here comes the really cool part. The next part of the butterfly life cycle. The caterpillar then finds a twig or plant in a safe place where animals or people won't touch it. It then hangs upside down and begins to build a pupa, which is also called a chrysalis, out of silk. The pupa or chrysalis is like a hard shell that the caterpillar builds around itself to protect it from predators and the weather as it makes its transformation from caterpillar into a butterfly. Inside, the caterpillar's organs, limbs, and shape change. Depending on the species or type of butterfly, this can last a couple weeks or months. The final part of the life cycle is when the caterpillar has fully transformed into a butterfly. It is now ready to come out. This begins when the pupa, or chrysalis, splits open, but it is not time to leave yet. The butterfly wings are still wet and weak. They need to dry. Do you know how butterflies get their wings to be strong? They pump a liquid called hemolymph into their wings, kind of like how our heart pumps blood throughout our body. This helps their wings become strong enough for them to fly. Once they are ready, they fly off to search for flowers and other butterflies. The cycle starts all over again once the grown-up female butterfly lays her own eggs. Congratulations! You just learned the butterfly life cycle. The stages of the cycle begin when a butterfly lays an egg. Then, the egg hatches into a caterpillar. The caterpillar then eats and grows until it finds a safe place to become a pupa or chrysalis. Lastly, it then hatches into a butterfly. Thanks for watching!
Very good. Okay. What we learned from the video is the butterfly life cycle have 4 stages. The first stage is eggs. Number 2 is caterpillar, which is we also can call as larva. Number 3 is chrysalis, which is we also can call as pupa. And the last one is an adult butterfly. So hope you understand about this. And there are some exercises for you in your activity book and the paper that I give you. Okay, ada beberapa kerja rumah yang cikgu bagi sebentar lagi dalam buku aktiviti dan juga kertas yang cikgu bagi hari itu. Kalau tak ada apa-apa soalan, kita boleh terus buat kerja hari ini. Okay, kita jumpa selepas cuti di sekolah. Itu sahaja untuk hari ini. Thank you boys and girls. Bye.